The Canon EOS R50V mirrorless camera is perfect if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality vlogging or streaming camera. And it comes with this handy kit that includes everything you need to get started. So let's see what it can do. This has a vari-angle touchscreen that can be twisted around so you can always see what the camera sees, even when you're filming yourself. Just press the front record button, wait for the light, and you're good to go. Plus, subject detection autofocus keeps you in focus. And advanced stabilization technology helps to smooth out shaky camera work. This is particularly great if you're streaming, as it means you can focus on your game instead of on your footage. Whatever you capture will look great with an advanced 24MP sensor that gives you 4K footage with more detail and less noise. There's loads of room to be creative with this camera, as you can switch up the lenses to suit what you want to capture, from vast landscapes to detailed close-ups. There's also a few fast movie modes that let you choose from customizable picture styles and color filters. And with this, you get more control over the colours in your vlogs with the freedom to fine-tune every shade after your shoot. If you're starting from scratch, it comes in a kit with everything you need. This includes the wide-angle lens, a tripod grip, a Bluetooth remote and a stereo microphone. When it comes to editing or sharing your footage, you can transfer it straight from the camera via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or USB, and it can even auto-transfer footage while it's on charge and switched off. So you can start the editing process without having to wait around. Then if you're wanting to live stream, just hit the live button to see your streaming options and go live within seconds. If you'd like more info about the Canon EOS R50V mirrorless camera, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.